Kev G weather overview, taking a look at the NOAA meteorological summer summary. Now, what does that mean? It means that meteorologists, when they look at the summer and winter and all the seasons, they look at in chunks from June 1st to September 1st with respect to the summer. So they start meteorological fall on September 1st and they end it on December 1st. So here we are looking at June 1 through September 1, and Central Park came in with the fourth warmest meteorological summer on record. So there's a difference between what meteorologists look at in terms of summer and how the actual seasons evolve. So this is a very interesting statistic. All top 10 warm summers around here have been recorded for all the major sites that keep track of, rather, the weather from June 1 through September 1. And indeed, it was a warm summer across the tri-state area. I think next week is looking like above normal temperatures and dry conditions. So summer's going to hang on a little bit longer across these parts as we go into next week. And the good news is that for Labor Day weekend, we are high and dry, even into Monday, it looks like, as the models have backed off any type of rain chances for Monday and well into next week for that matter. So let's take a look at it. We'll dive right in with the GFS. The upper air pattern has also changed too. This is Sunday, and what happens is as we go through time, a ridge of high pressure basically dominates over northeast Canada, and ostensibly this dominates our weather because nothing is really allowed to progress east. So the pattern remains locked up, and so what you see is what you get. So from here on out, we are looking high and dry for the majority of the next 7-8 days. Now, out in the Rocky Mountain West, in a place like Denver, they're going to go from highs of 90 to 95 on Saturday to just 40s and 50s on Tuesday and Wednesday. But that air mass really never makes any inroads across the tri-state area. In fact, this is all the way out to next Friday, and the same pattern prevails over the eastern part of the United States. So let's jump back to the GFS model. This is Sunday. Now, if you remember last time, we were looking at this frontal boundary from Monday, and this is what the new runs of the models do. This is by Monday afternoon. The front is still located over Michigan and Indiana and Ohio, but it never really makes inroads here. It kind of washes out, and a new area of low pressure develops along the front and makes the weather very unsettled over the Midwest, but that never really makes its way east. It's basically stuck thanks to high pressure over northeast Canada, which is controlling our weather and blocking anything from coming our way. Now, we get out to next Thursday into Friday, and things may start to get a little bit more unsettled as that high pressure starts to loosen its grip. But until then, we are high and dry. So that's basically what we're looking at here. Pretty good deal as far as the overall weather is concerned. A lot better than what was originally portrayed on the models for next week. So that's good news. Saturday high temperatures around 79. Same with Sunday, a delightful weekend coming up. The humidity's starting to drop now. Monday, 81, and dry skies. Tuesday, 82. Now, keep in mind, because of the time of year that we're in, we're running above normal. So highs in the low 80s are more normal for late July, early August. But here we are out to Wednesday. Highs generally around 80. Same thing for Thursday, with perhaps some showers working their way into the picture by next Thursday into Friday, but we'll just have to monitor that. All in all, a very good forecast. If you're fortunate enough to be off next week, you're going to be basking in some dry skies, a lot of fair weather across much of the eastern part of the United States.